Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create your own custom overlay in CapCut PC using sticker. So first, just going to select library, select black screen, right? And then I'm just going to add sticker. So just select your sticker you like to edit as an overlay. For example, let's select this um, template. Right, then resize like so, and add another sticker. For example, resize like so. Alright, select all clips and then right click, create compound clip. So select your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm going to select this one. So move up the overlay, which is this overlay, is our this our overlay. Alright, so select the overlay and select the mode of plane, right then, or just screen, or just overlay. Right, it's going to select right then. It's for the opacity. So you go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.